Hey there, welcome to CodeChef. Today we're going to be discussing the project calculator from our course Projects for Beginners in C. So let's begin. So in this particular project we will be creating a simple calculator which will take two input numbers from the user and perform addition or subtraction. So for the first subtask we'll be displaying the initial message, that is the menu, that is welcome to calculator, choose an operation and give out addition, subtraction and an option to exit. So we'll be simply printing it out, coming to the code. So first we have our calculator display function. We are going to return the following text. So backslash over here is a new line character, that is it will go to the next line. So after printing welcome to calculator, since I've given backslash and twice, I'm going to go to the next two lines, that is I'm going to skip to the next two lines and then I'm going to print out choose an operation, go to the next line and print out add, next line subtract, similarly until exit. And in the main function, I'm just gonna print whatever was written from the calculator display function. Let's just run this code once. So you can see we have printed out the basic calculator menu. Let's just submit this code once. So yeah, we have passed the test case. Let's move on to the next subtask.